In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TransUnion. We will walk through getting the official TransUnion credit app on your Android phone or your iPhone, step by step. First, open your phone app store. On Android, tap the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. On an iPhone, tap the App Store icon, usually on your first home screen. Once the store opens, you should see a search bar near the top, along with featured apps below, which confirms you are in the right place. Now use that search bar to look for TransUnion. Tap the search bar once, then type the word TransUnion as one word, with no spaces. On Android, tap the search icon on the keyboard. On iPhone, tap the Go or Search button. You should now see a list of apps related to credit, reports, and scores. From there, find and select the official TransUnion app. Look for the name TransUnion, with the registered symbol, and the familiar blue icon with the TU letters. Tap the app name once to open its store page. The page will show the app icon, developer name listed as TransUnion, screenshots and reviews, which helps you confirm it is not a fake app. Next up, install the app. On Android, tap Install, which is usually a green button. On iPhone, tap Get, then double-click the side button or confirm with Face ID or Touch ID if asked. Once you tap Install or Get, the button will change to show a progress circle or a loading bar, which means the download has started. After that, wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. You will see the progress slowly reach 100%. On Android, the Install button will change to Open when it is ready. On iPhone, the Get button will turn into an Open button. A new TransUnion icon will also appear on your home screen or in your app list, so you can reach it later. At this point, open the TransUnion app. You can tap Open directly from the store page or tap the TransUnion icon you just saw added to your apps. The first screen usually shows the TransUnion logo, then a welcome or sign-in page. When you see the sign-in or create account options, you know the app is working correctly. With that ready, sign into your existing account or create a new account. If you already have a TransUnion login from the website, enter your email and password and tap Sign In. If you are new, tap the option to create an account and follow the prompts to add your personal details, which TransUnion uses to locate your credit file. When you finish, you should land on the main dashboard where you can see your credit score and other tools. You have now downloaded the official TransUnion app and signed in so you can check your credit right from your phone. If this helped you get the TransUnion app set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear credit how-to guides.